Hey guys, I'm Megan from meganplus5.com and today is day 5 of DIY Christmas ornaments. I will leave a list below for everything that you'll need to complete this Christmas ornament, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing that you want to do is to cover your wood spools with fabric, and I just used some extra fabric that I had on hand. I had actually used this same fabric to tie a wreath with from the 4th of July, like last year or something, and instead of cutting it so that it had like a nice clean edge, I just cut a little slit in it, and then I ripped the fabric so that it had frayed edges all the way around. And you don't need to apply the hot glue when you're gluing this down all the way around the spool. Just put it in one spot and then lay your fabric down, kind of smash it down so it gets a good adhere to it, and then wrap it around, apply the hot glue to the tip of the fabric, and then fold it down onto itself. And I didn't want mine to be identical, so I just made a cute little ribbon bow on one of the spools. And I did mine on the bigger spool, and I left the smaller spool just the way that it was with just the fabric on it. And now it's time to put your ornament together. So you need to cut a piece of ribbon that is about 12 or so inches long. I honestly don't know the exact measurement because I didn't measure this part. And then feed one of your pre-painted beads through that ribbon, and then tie the end in a couple of knots, and then add a dab of hot glue to where the bead and the knot and the ribbon all meet. And then adding the hot glue to that end will prevent your ornament from falling apart. So once your hot glue is dry, then you can add the rest of the little decorations. So I added the larger wood spool, and then a pre-painted wood bead, and then the smaller wooden spool, and then another pre-painted wood bead. And then you want to make a loop at the top to hang it on the tree and then tie it off. So really important, do not pull it too tight or you will cause everything to just push down and completely go through that little knot that you made at the bottom, and cause your whole ornament to fall apart. So I hope you enjoyed day 5 of DIY Christmas ornaments. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And then be sure to check out meganplus5.com for even more crafty tutorials. See you later, guys. Bye.